Japan's Sakurajima Volcano erupted, sending plumes of smoke and ash almost a mile into the sky. Sakurajima, located in southern Japan, is one of the world's most active volcanoes and is reported to have erupted at about 4 p.m. local time, showering locals in ash. The volcano has already erupted a number of times this month, and officials have warned the public of volcanic ash. It is located about 30 miles from a nuclear power plant and is in constant activity. Locals took to social media to post photos and video clips of the thick black ash that was pelted high into the sky. They also posted images of their ash-covered clothing as it descended from the sky. A volcanic ash advisory has been issued. The current warning level is 3 out of 5, meaning minor volcanic eruption. Sakurajima, which translates into Cherry Blossom Island, and was once an island but lava flows turned it into a peninsula in 1914. It is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and one of the few that are currently in constant activity, according to Volcano Discovery. Its ongoing typical activity range from eruptions of lava bombs to large ash explosions every 4 to 24 hours. Between 2021-2022, moderate explosions with typical plume heights of around 2 kilometers occur every 1 to 5 days, according to Volcano Discovery.